Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. I have posted lot of jobs uh, from my recent days. I'm posting multiple jobs with the salary recommendations and direct contact with the HRs. I can share the link of the jobs directly to you. But the thing I have been, adding HR contact number or their email addresses because I want you to get a quick response and I want you to know who are hiring for the jobs. So today I'm going to post another couple of jobs. I hope you will make use of them wisely. I have put such a great efforts to to create this video. Please do like, comment, and share with the job seekers. Thank you. Um, let's jump into our first job. Yeah, let's jump into our first job. First job would be a company called Mirfara Technologies is hiring for their clients, physical design engineers and physical verification engineers in Bangalore. So notice period is immediate joiner to 30 days or the preferred hires. And this job is posted by Suraj, and he is working as a staffing specialist talent acquisition in Mirfara Software Technologies. And looks like he forget to mention the skills so in this post, but usually the skills needed for this job would be embedded C++, Linux, and some knowledge on VLSI or power electronics. And the experience required for this role is 2 to 8 years. I have seen there was an image down this post. They required 2 to 8 years of experience. And my salary recommendation for this role, physical design engineers or physical verification engineers, is so, based upon 2 to 8 years of experience and considering Bangalore as a location and the skill set needed for this role, my salary recommendation starts from 8 lakh to 25 lakh. This is the salary range depending upon your experience and your expertise in the skills. So, let's say you have 5 years of experience, demand at least 16 lakh package for this role. If you're getting paid under 8 lpa, please don't join in the company because it feels like you're getting you are underpaying yourself and underpaying the job as well. Um so uh, if you want more details about the job, you can directly reach Suraj Kultumetu at mirfara.com. So if you want to apply for this job, you need to share your updated resume with this email address, Suraj uh, kultemuttu at mirfara.com. And yeah, let's jump into our next job. Our next job is in Qualcomm. I believe this is in Hyderabad. Yeah, these people are hiring for software engineers in Hyderabad. So looks like they did not mention the experience, but as a standard experience, 2 to 5 years, I'll share my job recommendations. So for this job, the people need 5G, skills in design, developing, coding, testing, and debugging, security related software on embedded platforms, and C is mandatory. Python to run ARM architecture, and Linux and Windows knowledge. And this job is in security team, so most probably whatever the devices, the chips they are designing, there need to be some sort of security enhancements to be done, and I believe that this is that. And if you want to apply for this role, you need to send your updated resume to ayushar at qti.qualcomm.com, and the subject line should be ssd software engineer at Hyderabad location. So yeah, so my salary recommendation here is Qualcomm pays you much. Even for freshers, it pays you more than 18 LPA. So you can demand salary from 25 lakh to 50 lakh for this role, depending upon your expertise and your skills. So I wanted to share the salary range whatever Qualcomm is providing. And let's jump into the next job. The next job here is a company called Sodexo. We all know Sodexo what it does. So it is hiring for senior manager, supply chain and logistics for Hyderabad location, and they require BTech graduate, and the preferred experience should be in supply chain, food, catering industries, or else looks like this is not a software job, and minimum 8 to 10 years of experience is needed, and my salary recommendation for this role, depending upon the experience, is at least 25 LPA should be, you know, basic salary they should get. So if you are getting less than 25 LPA, please do look for another few jobs in my next videos. But if you are okay with that package, give a try to this job. For more information, you can reach Nitasha Buddala in the LinkedIn. If you want to apply for this role or want to know few more details about this job, just feel free to share your updated resume with natasha.buddala at sodexo.com. And let's jump into the next job. The next job would be .NET developer. So this job is based out of Noida or Mumbai, and the company is Sofomation.com is hiring for this role. You can reach directly to Megavi K for any more details like salary or experience needed for this role. So experience mandatory into C SQL, .NET, Web API with good communication and technical knowledge, and the skills needed would be like .NET developer, MVC, SQL server. These might be couple of skills needed for this role. So since experience is not mentioned here, let us go with the standard experience right now people have and the standard salary recommendations. So my salary recommendation for this role is 10 LPA for 2 years of experience to 18 LPA for 5 years of experience. So depending upon the skill set that you have and the experience you have, you can demand more as well. But this is my salary standard salary recommendation for this role. So if you want to share your, if you want to apply for this role, share your updated resume on megavi at sofomation.com. Also, you can ask them about experience and salary details as well. But I recommend you to have a good subject line when you are asking for any more details. Like be transparent. I mean, be very clear, precise information to be provided. So next job is in Walkwell Technology Private Limited. These people are hiring for 5 different roles, which is full stack developer, React JS developer, inside sales, BDE, systems admin, with different sort of experience. And the minimum experience needed is at least 3 years of experience into when it comes to the engineering or development. And for BDE role, 2 to 5 years of experience. And this job is based out of Mohali, Punjab, and this is a work from office role. So my salary recommendation for this full stack developer role is 16 LPA to 40 LPA, depending upon the experience and the skill set you have. And for React JS developer, it's a demanding skill in the market, so people will get a lot of calls or a lot of jobs related to this role. And my salary recommendation would be 10 to 30 LPA depending upon your experience and your skills. And for inside sales, I'm really not sure about your sales team or what exactly the role is and what would be the appropriate thing. But if any inside sales people or BD people are looking for this video, please do feel free to share your salary recommendations. But considering the job is in the IT company, I would recommend my standard salary recommendation from 7 lakh to 15 lakh based upon the experience, skill set, and your previous CTC. And for the BDE role, business development executive role, so these people can fall under business analyst if I'm not wrong. But if any business analyst is looking this job, please confirm that in the comment section. And for this role, my standard salary recommendation would be 6 to 14 LPA, depending upon the skills that you have, depending upon the experience you have. And next job is systems admin. So for systems admin role, for 3 to 7 years of experience, you can demand salary from 9 LPA to 21 LPA depending upon the skill set you have and the experience you have. You can also get more salary for this role in different companies, but it's up to you. But if you are looking for few more opportunities, feel free to watch my future videos as well. So if you want to apply for this role, please share your updated resume at dheeraj.soni@walkwelltech.com. So Walkwell Technology Private Limited. It's a strange company. I mean, it's a new company that I'm looking for now. So let's jump into another role. Another company is Conduit. This company is hiring for project managers with 8 to 10 years of experience into F&A, P2P, and R2R and O2C. And these people need 5+ year experience in transition management and prior experience in handling independent projects can apply. The notice period is 60 days and work location would be in the Bangalore. So my standard salary recommendation for this role is 30 lakh to 50 lakh depending upon the experience and depending upon the skill set you have, and the job is in Bangalore. Probably Bangalore companies pay you high salary comparing to another metropolitan cities. And agile skills are needed for this job, finance as well. So if you want to know more or if you want to apply for this job, share your updated resume with danya.ajay@condian.com. And if you want to know more details, just feel free to reach her in the LinkedIn or through this email address for salary details or the skills they needed. And if it is a contract or long term, just feel free to reach her. And the next salary would be, next company would be a company called Code Corners is hiring for HR executive with 1 to 4 years of experience in Mohali. So my salary recommendation for this role is 4.5 to 12 LPA depending upon the experience and skill set that you have. And if you are enough confident, you can also try for another jobs as well. And if you are interested to apply for this role, just share your resume with the HR at codecorners.com, or else you can call at 0172 247 87 100 for more details. You can call to this number, and this is a work from office job. Okay, and yeah, looks like these people are looking for immediate joiners, but just give a call and let them know. So I want to ask, what if they need immediate joiners, what is the notice period that these people are giving to their existing employers? Okay, that's great. And yeah, that's it. These are the jobs that I wanted to share with you guys. And if you find the information is useful and helpful for the job seekers, please do like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more future jobs. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.